Hi there, folks. This is Levi Kuhn at Kuhn Truck and RV, your Class B and B Plus RV specialists. Please check out our website, www.truckandrv.com, to view all of our inventory. We do not put any pricing on YouTube, but all of our prices are listed on our website. I will put a link to this exact RV in the description below. We are a full-service dealer. We do offer warranty as well as financing packages. If you have any questions on those, please call my brother Luke in our office at 419-899-2020. All right, folks, it's time for another inside video tour. We are inside of this Pleasureway Excel TS. This is one of Pleasureway's most popular floor plans. The reason for that being, I believe, is that it gives you a nice big back bed. And you still have some pretty decent kitchen space, as well as you have a fully enclosed bathroom that also has some decent space in it. It is unlike some of the Pleasureway models and or the Road Trek models that you take your shower in the aisle. This one has a fully enclosed bathroom, which I will show you as soon as we get back there. We have leather front seats. And then above the passenger's head, we have your control center. First one is your levels gauge as well as your water pump switch there in the red. We've got the remote start for your Cummins Onan 2800 generator. That is showing 42 hours. We have the switch for your hot water heater, then your LP and CO2 detector, and then a light switch on the end. We have some more light switches over here for the interior exterior lights, as well as a dimmer. You can dim the inside lights if you would like to set the mood. There's a nice maple cabinetry all the way throughout it. Nice looking countertops. Got a single basin kitchen sink. Refrigerator down bottom. This will run on LP gas, 12 volt electricity or 110 volt electricity. Propane furnace. Two burner cooktop. Some more light switches for the rear. The thermostat for the propane furnace. Rooftop air conditioning unit. Microwave. I'm going to back up just a bit here and open the bathroom door. This is what they consider a wet bath. A wet bath combines the toilet, the shower, and the bathroom sink all into one space. In these smaller motorhomes, camper vans, they have to do this because of the amount of floor space in these units. The back bed, I'm going to run down and I will show you that here in just a second. All right, I did not put the bed fully all the way down. The back portion is all the way folded down. This here is power. You just hold the button above the TV and that runs up and down by itself off of power. To make the bed even bigger, you can take the table and put it in here to span this gap. You would then either bring the bottom cushions in or you can bring the back cushions over into here to fill this gap, and it gives you a huge bed back here in the back of this unit that you can easily sleep two people. You could possibly even sleep a third if you had a small child with you. All right. Make sure we run this up here while you're watching so you can see how it works. Just hold the button and up it goes. I just want to make note of this down here. This is the fuse panel. The back cushions and the couch here are all leather as well. We've got a 19-inch flat screen TV, DVD player up top. That is the switch for the power couch, power sofa. Got the fantastic fan in the ceiling. How do you fix a broken tomato? With tomato paste. This unit here is exceptionally clean. Inside, outside. The outside shines very, very well. The inside cleaned up very nicely as well. Really stands tall. Overall, my opinion, inside, outside, and the age and miles taking into consideration, I would pretty easily rate this unit at a 9, maybe even a 9.5. Been taken care of, very, very clean. Like I said, this is a very, very popular floor plan. It's on a Ford E350 chassis. It has the Triton 5.4 liter V8. If you have any questions on this one, give us a call at Kuhn Truck and RV, the best little RV dealer around. All right, it's time for the rundown of the outside of this unit. It is 21 foot from bumper to bumper. The tires were brand new in 2018. It has an 11-foot awning. It does sit on the Ford E350 chassis. It is the Excel TS floor plan. The 2 vents in the side here are for the refrigerator. Down bottom we have the coach battery. The vent for the propane furnace. We've got a couple of exterior outlets here if you would like to plug something in while you're camping. In the passenger's rear corner, we have a very nice large storage compartment. Coming around back, down bottom, you can see the tow package. It also has a ladder to get on top of the unit. On the rear driver's side corner, first off is the hot water heater access. This is where you would fill your onboard water tank. Got a little bit smaller storage compartment here on the driver's corner with the shore power cord inside that. This compartment here is intended to store the sewage hose, outside shower, gasoline tank. The top port is your city water connection. Below that is a cable TV connection. And then your black and gray water dumps. Got your onboard propane tank. Plug your shore power cord in here. And last but not least, your Cummins Onan 2800 gasoline generator.